going to the safari park. Actually, that. What's her birthday?
Yeet! We are in San Diego, as we were just saying, because we're surprising Jenny with a trip for her birthday. We told her yesterday as I got in the car that we were doing the surprise trip, and Jenny loves animals and breaking into cars. Do you see her do that right now? And so we thought it was a perfect little thing to do. So on our way there. So we made it.
African sacred
Ibis.
That's
Frozen nanners. Sleepy tiger. Wow, what are the chances, the timing of that? I got that. Check. What do you guys think of it so far?
really good. I am going to record on top of you.
What the? You have to share all your footage with me.
No.
That's how we make a better vlog. Squinting at you, Jenny. He wants to fight you. Jenny, you're gonna pick a fight with all the animals in here.
Cállate.
Check it out.
There's not even a fence in front of us.
Oh my God, there's right there.
Go fight a kangaroo.
Why are y'all?
Yeah, I think he got spooked by the duck. We haven't seen every animal yet, but what's been your favorite so far?
Platypus.
The platypus? Because you're related to them, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Kai, what about you? What's been your favorite animal? The tiger?
How about you? What has been your favorite?
That's a good question. What has been my favorite? I think I really like the marsupial exhibit just in general. Seeing the kangaroos and the tree kangaroo, that was cool. What else was there that we saw that was cool? Oh, the toucan. I love toucans. But yeah.
I know I just said platypus, but I actually love everything so far.
Everything. Well, and it's a really nice day. Not too hot. It's a little warm, but not too hot. And yeah, it's been really nice to just enjoying the nature.
About one of our
young giraffe. Oh, there's two of them. There's both of them. So one is lying down on the ground. We've got ourselves doing habitat, 65 acres of land. We have a bird marsh. We have a West African crown crane. That's the black bird with the yellow crown. Desert. Now they also have adapted themselves to how they are all examples of the two. Acres of land. And we can pick up another way. Look at our African coral trees.
What do we think? What do you think, Jenny?
Yeah, that was really cool.
Favorite part about the tram?
Learning about what they're doing to save the northern white rhino.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Only two left in the world, and they're both female. Yeah, that's my favorite part too. I
Yeah.
really hope they can try to rescue them.
Yeah, they're trying to use the closest relative in the southern white rhino versus the northern, which is the critically endangered. And then they're just gonna try to do a artificial, pregnancy with an existing embryo. And they've been collecting genetic stuff from the northern white rhinos since 1975. So hopefully one of these days they can figure it out. To see how our size compared to gorillas. Guy's pretty close, at least looks wise.
That's
Try, let's see. We have a returning star, a returning character to the show.
Thank you. Good to be here.
They don't know that you moved down here, and yeah, so.
I moved down here.
And we have another star.
And we have
Another star,
of the show.
Walter.
Less returning. I really am the main character of the scene. Gotta say. Yep, been here. I'm a San Diegan now.
Yeah. So this is like third time. Wait, did I? Oh no, I'm still recording. This is the third time that I visited San Diego and hung out with Erica, and it's really great that now she's really close.
Third?
Yeah, I think so. Or fourth.
I thought it was the second time.
This is the third.
What else did we do?
We did when you first were here. It was like pretty dang sure.
I don't think so.
Yeah, because I got coffee with you.
I remember that.
I thought that was the second time.
I thought that was the first time.
That was the first.
That was the first time that
Ha!
while she was here? There's no way.
I'm right.
Okay, well, I don't know. But it's cool having Erica close by. Happy birthday to you. Dab on them.
Hey Jenny, one more thing. Happy birthday! I just showed.
About to check out of our Airbnb and what you feeling out?
I am filling out Jenny's birthday card.
Car, what's our next move?
Coffee
Coffee
and food.
I don't know.
and food. She doesn't know. Okay. We won't cut.
What sounds interesting? The cereal board? I noticed it now. What?
Yeah.
What song is this? Unity. Queen Latifah. Oh, this is a dope song. Get back to our favorite little store in San Diego. Jenny, part 2 of 3, dropping me off at my house, and then the rest of the birthday party.